Alright, so today we are doing brakes. We've got some new rotors, front and rear, and we've got some new pads, the gold premium pads, front and rear. So let's get to putting them on.
New tires, dude.
What's wrong with my tire? Oh,
that is a Scandinavian-sized bubble, my friend. You can't drive this. That's bad. It's an inch higher over here than over here. What size are these?
14s. 185, 60, 14.
Yeah, 185, 60, 14. 185, 65, 14s. They have to be mounted and balanced, but you'd have winter tires in the back so you could actually drive this in the winter. Better than that.
Yeah, I know it is. Free. On that high note, let's continue.
All right. All right, open hand. You're gonna smash your knuckles on something. Hard to get used to, but it's much less painful.
Ta-da! Yeah. There we go. That is a tiny rotor.
Yep.
That is a heavy rotor.
Never have I seen a rotor picked up like that.
These are tiny. Hold on, there's a Highlander brake pad right here.
What? Yeah. That's plenty.
Okay.
Time. So we've got two flavors of problems here. One, this bolt is not coming out and it's also not threaded all the way in. But also, if you didn't notice, we kind of popped a zit on this caterpillar here, so I believe it's all brake fluid that's coming out. But definitely needs a new caliper. And we'll just get it with the mount because this bolt is stuck into the mount. We'll just redo all this, you know?
Okay, so now that those wheels went off without a hitch and we don't need any new parts and we had everything we needed, we're gonna do an oil change in this because I haven't done one yet since I bought it, so. Oh bro, the underside of this car is actually so clean. It's awesome. Nailed it. None on the head. You want to tell me where my filter is from up top, please?
Oh, cram it past the wires.
You got this, bro.
Yeah. The baby filter. Yeah, you want to put this in the bucket?
Oh, that is a little baby filter.
It was.
still have our work cut out for us because we have tires to do now out of nowhere and a caliper to do now out of nowhere. We'll see you. We'll see you. We'll see you. But
Holding the head too big.
Dunsies.
Stuck in the tiny car.
Okay, so since there's that huge bubble in the Miata tire and we can't really do anything about it yet, we're just gonna steal the tires off the Mini that have only been sitting for like 5 years. Off the ground with this? Bro, this thing's gonna be on dubs. Bro, that is nasty.
Looks good. Man.
What, dude? Oh my gosh, it's a monster truck.
I like it.
Okay, so this is what I'm riding home in tonight because of the blown up tire in the back. Yeah, so I'll be in this until tomorrow, hopefully. If not the next day, but that will end soon. Check out those bad boys. Brand spanking new from the Tyler shop.
They're not brand new. I already used them like a season.
Brand new, never used ever from the tire shop.
Been thoroughly driven on an Eon.
Let's put them back on. Now, nobody expected, including me. We're gonna put an exhaust on this thing. So let's do that, I guess. Brand new exhaust, baby.
Brandy new.
Okay, so we're going to rev it real quick, stock exhaust, just to see what it sounds like to get a comparison.
Very restrictive.
Don't fall on my face, I know you're gonna. Oh yeah, that tool's legit, bro. We did it! Well, we did part of it. You're pretty much captain in this ship here. Actually, let me just unbolt it right here.
It is. That probably is.
It's gonna fall on me. Oh yeah.
I got this side.
So here's the old exhaust. And we were just gonna like weld the tip on it on account of this, but Chance just had a whole exhaust sitting around. So now this beauty's going in it. Oh yeah. Now just for funsies, we get an exhaust clip of this. That was deeper than I thought. Woo!
That was rumbly.
Yeah, it was. Okay, so we're gonna just take and zip these bolts off. Since they're so rusted, we're just gonna use a grinder. See if this cat fits up to here. If it does, awesome, we'll bolt it together, bolt it on the car. If not, we're gonna have to start cutting flanges and do some custom welding to make this one fit on that. Put this here, see if this bolts up. It does.
Very nice. Oh, but I found. The neighbor's voice is not.
Now we're just gonna move this under there, stick it through here. We won't have to put any resonator through anything. And we got some brand new bolts to put it back together, so sweet.
Let's just see if it fits generally first.
So we're gonna pull this down now and take and weld this hole up. And then we'll be good to mount everything and actually see how it sounds. All right, nice. Weld her up. Great, man. It's not even a hole anymore.
There's less hole there.
So we're gonna do a startup now, but this exhaust has like this silencer thingy in it. You can like open this for louder and close it for quieter. You can see it kind of restricts that there. So we're gonna start it up once with that in, and then we're just gonna take it out, and that's how I'm gonna run it. But we'll see how it sounds with it in first.
You see the pound of rust that just flew out of that thing? That's awesome. There we go.
That's that silencer thing. I think our oxygen's gone.
Yes, that also.
Ease, hold on. All right. Let's drive it, hear it, go to bed. Alright, so we got the brand new brakes on, we got the new exhaust on. All is going well with the Miata. So I'm very happy with what got done. I'm very pleased. I'll see you next time. it.